Hello friends. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a fidget flower using Googly Eye finger puppets. This crocheted flower measures approximately 7 centimeters. It can serve as a cute fidget toy, or you can attach a chain to turn it into a keychain. The finger puppets Googly Eye are approximately 3 centimeters. You will need 3-ply yarn, 2.5 millimeters and 2.0 millimeters crochet hooks, 8 millimeters beads, and optionally, a keychain. If you can't handle abbreviations, please turn on the subtitles button. First, we need to thread 6 small beads onto the yarn. To do this, we will use a 2.0 millimeters crochet hook. Now, do a slip knot and chain 10 using the 2.5 millimeters crochet hook. Join with 1 slip stitch in first chain to form a circle. Work over the yarn tail and crochet 2 half double crochet stitches into the circle. Place the googly eye together with the circle and crochet 16 half double crochet stitches over both. Join with 1 slip stitch on top of first stitch. In same space, do 1 half double crochet stitch. Chain 4. Pull the loop up slightly, then use the 2.0 millimeters crochet hook to pull the loop through a bead. Pick up the 2.5 millimeters crochet hook again, skip 2 stitches, then repeat this section 5 times. Do 1 half double crochet stitch. Chain 4. Insert 1 bead. Skip 2 stitches and repeat. Join with 1 slip stitch on top of first stitch. For row 3, we will work in the spaces on either side of the beads. In first space, do 1/2 double crochet stitch plus 2 chain and count like first stitch. In same space, do 1 double crochet stitch. Chain 2 then in the same space, but after the bead do 2 double crochet stitches. Repeat this part 5 times. In next space, do 2 double crochet stitches. Chain 2 then in the same space, but after the bead do 2 double crochet stitches. Repeat. Join with 1 slip stitch on top of first stitch. On row 4, we will work into the spaces and into the middle of these groups of 4 stitches. Repeat this part 6 times. In next space, do 7 double crochet stitches. Work 1 slip stitch in the middle of this group of 4 stitches. Repeat. Fasten off, hide the tail of yarn, shape it, and you are done. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial with the crochet fidget flower. I look forward to hearing your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you soon.